Are poorly defined requirements and misaligned efforts derailing your project? We'd like to show you something new that we think could help. In this example, we observe a problematic requirement defined in Jira. Centered around gathering product feedback, the requirement is weak overall, lacking the necessary detail for implementation, but importantly, also lacking a business case. Let's see how Ogg Extensions for Jira helps us fill these gaps. First, basic setup tasks are performed. We enter project context to increase Ogg's specificity, such as the goals of our project and the technologies utilized by our team. Then, we add personas, reflecting our varying customer or user profiles, which evolve as our project progresses. I'll add one for demonstration purposes and throw in some additional information about who is important to us in that team. Next, we add our definition of ready. To bring consistency to the process of preparing requirements for implementation, it is often sensible to agree upon a common set of criteria that the final requirement must meet, known as the definition of ready. These go here. That's our configuration taken care of. Now, let's return to our requirement and run the Intriq. It performs a deep analysis and outputs a practical assessment across a range of important perspectives. It has correctly identified that specific data points are missing, that the business case is weakly described, and many other key gaps we earlier identified. This is honest and genuinely actionable feedback, calmly delivered, and it's only visible to the user. Let's ask the Sherpa to give us a view of the bigger picture and break down where to go next. The Sherpa specializes in maintaining momentum. It'll provide us the direction we need to have the necessary conversations with subject matter experts and gather missing information. It's rich in ideas to spark creative thinking and push things forward. So, let's say the team performs the various recommendations, then updates the work item with the additional information. With the writer on hand, we don't need to worry about formatting our requirement, because it can generate a structured, readable user story that follows a modern, widely accepted format. Having updated our work item, let's gain confidence by again using the Intriq that our requirement is stronger this time. We've scored better, allowing us to ask ourselves, is this ready for the development team? If yes, we can simply save the work item and we're done. But if the team prefers, we can hone our requirement by repeating this process as often as we like, driven by the momentum Ogg Extensions provides. If you think these capabilities could help your team, follow the link in the description to the Atlassian Marketplace. And if you have any questions, just reach out at intriq.io.